Okay, good afternoon, good morning, or maybe it's a good night. Whatever time you're watching this video, I greet you. So in this video, it's going to be a very short one. I want to show you how you can make money sitting at home. That's the heading of this video. Okay, when it comes to making money, you need to learn. There is much money in learning. I want to show you my LinkedIn account so that you will see that people that are looking for a job, is not that job is not available. It's just that they are not qualified for the jobs available. Okay, they are not qualified for the jobs available. Let's go to jobs. Can you see the footnote here? Let's go to jobs. A lot of people are not even on this LinkedIn. They don't even know that something like LinkedIn, and they're carrying files around looking for job up and down. Why jobs? There is massive job on LinkedIn. Here, oh, network, please don't do that. So it's opening. So there is massive job on the internet, but the problem is that the jobs available are digital skilled jobs. So you need to have a digital skill to be able to access the jobs available. So if it's only your certificate you have, it may be difficult for you. That's why you need to skill up. You need to do what? Skill up to be able to get the available jobs that are available right now in our century. So I want to show you some jobs here so that you will see that what I'm showing you is not. Look at them. Social media coordinator. Have you seen it? This one is even US. There is a way you do your LinkedIn account, and it will be showing you jobs available in different countries. Okay, these jobs are you can do it from your house, sitting in the house. You can see by social media coordinator. Social media coordinator, you apply and you can get these jobs. This is content writing worldwide. Look at the number of jobs available: 34,545,000 jobs. This one is 202,477 jobs. So you can see that jobs are not, there is no scarcity of jobs. This one is language tutor. This one is content creator. You see, content writing, social media marketing, all these jobs are things that are hot cake online now. I know nobody is asking you what did you have a master's degree. No, all they will ask you is get a sample of the content you have written. If you're a social media marketer, what can you do in social media? That's all. They don't ask you whether you have a PhD or whether you have a master's degree. So some people have not gotten a job with their BSc, but they want to go and do masters. I don't have a problem with that. But get a digital skill to back up any certificate. That is called a certificate. So you can see them. Community volunteer, freelancer. I hope you are seeing all these things. Social media coordinator, this massive 100. Are you seeing them? So what I'm going to do for you on this video is that I'm going to give you access to free courses. The good news is that you can even get this knowledge free online. Yes, there is a catalog of courses on ALLISON that are free for you to study and get certified as a social media manager, as a content writer, as a copywriter. Any skill you want is available on ALLISON for free. You can learn the skill. If you can decide to pay for the certificate if you want. If you don't want, you can learn the skill, be able to practice it. They may not ask you for certificate if you don't have the certificate. All you can do, if you can practice what you have done, you will get the job. So what are you waiting for? I'm going to leave more than 20 links in the description of this video that will teach you different things, different skills free from ALLISON. So it's up to you to get it or not get it. God bless you.